Let's now go to pathology of qi mechanism. Let's discuss ascending, descending of qi. In certain physiological processes of qi needs to ascend, in others to ascend. This applies to every organ and every part of the body. For example, spleen qi ascends while stomach qi descends. Ascending is a yang movement while descending is a yin one. For example, the ascending of spleen qi is yang, and in fact, the qi of the spleen fails to ascend when spleen yang of spleen qi is deficient. What causes the disruption of the ascending descending of qi? The two most common causes are emotional and dietary. Indeed, the very first effect of all emotions is to disrupt the movement of qi. For example, worry knots qi, fear makes qi descend, while anger makes it rise. We could therefore say that the very first effect of each emotion is to disrupt the ascending descending of qi. For example, anger makes liver qi rise, while fear makes kidney qi descend. The main dietary causes of a disruption of the ascending descending of and in what one eats. For example, eating too fast or working immediately after eating make qi ascend. Pathology of ascending descending of qi in the internal organs. The improper ascending descending of qi in the internal organs is essential for their proper functioning and for the transformation of qi that leads to the production of qi and blood. Each internal organ's qi flows in a certain proper direction, proper being the translation of the Chinese term xuan, which means in the same direction as, but which also conveys Confucian ideas of conforming and obeying. The proper direction of the flow of qi in each organ are as follows. The spleen qi ascends, the stomach qi descends, the lung qi descends, but in one respect it ascends, the heart qi descends, the liver qi ascends and extends in all directions, kidney qi descends, but in certain respects it also ascends, and the bladder, small and large intestine qi all descend. The improper direction of qi is called ni in Chinese, which means rebellious or counterflow. Again, rebellious conjures up confusion ideas of lack of conformity and lack of obeying. I shall call the counterflow direction of qi rebellious qi. Thank you for your attention.